My name is Marina and I'm in the third year of my PhD. I was born in Malaga where I studied biomedical engineering, but now I'm living in Madrid. I'm currently working in the biorobotics group in the Center of Automation and Robotics in Arganda del Rey.
Since I did the master in neuroscience, I have been working with neuromuscular disorders, mainly with Parkinson's disease patients.
Parkinson's disease is the second most prevalent neurodegenerative disorder. However, there are still some challenges regarding the diagnosis and the treatment of the disease.
We are generally using clinical scales and clinics for gait evaluation. These scales are generally subjective, so we need new methods and tools that can objectively measure motor symptoms.
Given this evidence, I began to wonder which neuromuscular mechanisms are involved in Parkinsonian gait and how could they be objectively assessed.
Parkinson's disease occurs when dopaminergic neurons in the substantia nigra die. This affects the basal ganglia, which regulates movement. When we want to move, a descendant signal is sent from the brain motor cortex to the muscles. The basal ganglia helps regulate these signals for better motor control, mechanism that is impaired in Parkinson's disease.
But how could we relate gait disturbance and neuromuscular alterations with what's happening in the brain in a non-invasive way?
The union of a motor neuron and all its associated muscle fibers is called motor unit. They are the fundamental unit of muscle activity because they activate when receiving the electrical signal from the brain, triggering contraction. These electrical signals are called action potentials, which are the ones detected through surface electromyography.
With these ones, we want to try to find some objective biomarkers to support clinical diagnosis. But how do we recall all this data?
Our research team is interdisciplinary and consists of engineers, physiotherapists, and neurologists. Apart from SEMG, we are also recording kinematics with motion capture systems.
But to develop an objective assessment tool, we ask ourselves, will more extreme gait condition reveal new neuromuscular mechanisms affected in Parkinson's patients that do not manifest themselves on level ground? Because it is not the same walking over this terrain as it is here or here.
Therefore, we repeat the same protocol over different irregular terrains.
But the most important part is our patience.
Mi experiencia en los ensayos me ha dado mucha esperanza de que algún día encuentren la solución para esta enfermedad. Solución que, aunque llegue tarde para mí, los que vengan detrás la puedan aprovechar y no sufran como yo estoy sufriendo. Muchas gracias a todos los equipos de investigación.
Our work aims to make a difference in the lives of people with Parkinson's disease. By supporting clinical tools and understanding disease progression, we hope to create new treatments and better quality of life for patients.
Yo investigo, yo soy CSIC.